Do you like football? Yes. Do you like apples? Yes. Have you eaten your lunch today? Yes. Is yes the only word you know in English? Today's video will be talking about 10 different ways of saying yes. The purpose of doing that, guys, as we mentioned earlier, is to strengthen your skills in English in general, speaking in particular. So here we go. So guys, all the words I'm going to mention now are just another way of saying yes in English. Here we go. The first word is definitely. Definitely. Certainly. Certainly. Absolutely. Absolutely. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Right. Right. Of course. Of course. Yeah. Or oh yeah. For example, do you like Uncle Easy channel? Oh yeah, I do. That means you are excited, you are actually into it, you have the passion towards it. So you say, oh yeah. Instead of saying yes, you can say yep and yup. Sure, for sure. They are the same. Are you coming with us tomorrow? We playing football. Why not? I can come. So why not in here? It's just yes, I agree. I'm coming with you guys. Why not? Okay, okay. Can I borrow your pen, please, for a bit? No problem. Go for it. So no problem in here means yes. Anyway, guys, that was our video for today. Thank you so much for watching me and see you next video.